Have you tried taking a photo of yourself before and you realize that what just happened, the quality of this is not as expected, or it's blurry, or you're not just getting the perfect angle and the perfect lighting? Well, a lot of things contribute to this, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to improve the quality of your pictures so that you can go from 0 to 100. Now, tip one is ensure that your lens is properly cleaned, and this can be done using a microfiber cloth just to wipe your lens, and this takes away all the dust and all the fingerprints that has been on your lens all through the day. Also, you need to ensure that your settings is good for the kind of quality you're looking out for. So ensure that you go to your settings if you use an iPhone or a Samsung, and locate your camera and then turn on high efficiency. This way your camera takes the best quality pictures and also retains the pixels in the image so that you look very flawless and beautiful at the same time. The third point I'm going to say is lighting. Now, we cannot emphasize the importance of lighting because in photography, lighting is everything. Now, currently, as I'm filming this video, I have a couple of lights. I have a light here in my right hand, I have a light in my left hand, I have a backlight, and you can see that this contributes to the entire beauty of the image. So you want to ensure that you have good lighting. So if you're shooting outdoor, you need to ensure that there is enough sunlight, but ensure that the light is also not too harsh on your face, that it causes shadows that are too strong. You can try to shoot in a shaded area, or try to make use of a reflector, or just try to position yourself in a way that the sun is not hitting you too much. And if you're also indoor, try to ensure that you're facing the window so that you have enough ambient light coming into you and enough beautiful sunlight to give you that nice glow. Or if you are shooting indoor as well, you can get a light like this and just clip it on your mobile, and then you can shoot your videos or your pictures, or you get a LED light or a ring light just to ensure that you get all glowed up, because lightning is everything. Now, the fourth point I want to tell you is try to work with an editing platform, an editing software. We have Lightroom, we have Snapseed, we have a couple of platforms, and you can even use the editing app, that's the editing tool on your mobile phone. For example, iPhones, Samsung, they have the editing tool on their phone. Just go to your photo and click on edit so that you can try to work on the brightness, the saturation, the contrast, the sharpness, so that you can have a beautiful and good image. That will be all from me. 4 tips that you can use to elevate your pictures from 0 to 100. A recap would be: number one, clean your camera lens before you take a picture. Number two would be ensure that you turn on high efficiency in your camera settings or Pro Raw. Number three would be work with good lighting. And number four would be work with good editing softwares. So if you'd like me to share more videos on how to edit your pictures, let me know in the comment section below. And let me also know what are the mistakes that you commonly have when you take your picture. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment and like so that more people can see this video. Until then, see you later. Bye.